Tonight, we shall be looking at types of tokens. There are basically four main types of tokens. Okay, so when you are talking about tokens, you should know that there are basically four main types. And there are tokens that talk about payments, all right? Tokens that when you hear about them, you should be thinking about payments. So these are payment tokens. And then you also have the second types of tokens, which is also known as utility tokens. These are tokens that can be used to maybe pay bills. It can be used for utility. It has the use cases that can actually be used in real life. All right. So another types of token you want to look at, which is the third type, of course, is known as the security tokens. There are tokens that can be used as securities, and that is the third one. And of course, the fourth types of token that you also want to look at is known as the non-fungible tokens. With the non-fungible tokens, that's when you are talking about tokens like NFTs. You see designs are actually printed and they are being put on a blockchain, certified, and the owner can never be altered. All right. So when you look at some NFTs, you realize that members or the owners actually have their certification on the blockchain, and that can never ever be altered. So that's when we are looking at non-fungible tokens. By the time we shall be doing our NFT studies, you are going to understand how non-fungible tokens works. So basically, guys, there are four main types of tokens.